So in this video, so guys, in this video we will gonna see. So as you can see, I can show you how you can change your SSD hard drive in your laptop. You need to just open these screws. Just remove this. Replace the hard drive.